Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alyssa, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'll be testing out this r.e.m Beauty Wicked Glinda makeup set. I'm a little bit late to this. I got it for Christmas and then I just was like, oh, I'm gonna film a video with that, and then I just put it off and now here we are. I don't even know if you can still get this. I searched this before I started filming and it came up on eBay for like $120. I'm happy that I still made this video because, spoiler alert, I really like this. But before you click off, just because the collection is sold out doesn't mean that you shouldn't watch this video, because the formulas that I'm testing, even though this exact collection is sold out, I'm still testing out these r.e.m Beauty formulas, which obviously you can't get in the Glinda special edition collection, I don't think, but I use these formulas for their standard items. That makes sense? Am I making sense? So anyway, if you want to see how I got this makeup look and my thoughts on the collection, then just keep on watching. This is the r.e.m Beauty Wicked Glinda makeup set. This packaging is so stunning. I don't want to ruin it, but we kind of have to. You can see what it includes here. We have an eyeliner, a lipstick, a blush, and a liquid shadow. This is the blush. I love the r.e.m Beauty packaging. I just have to say that. I think of the best way how I want to go about this. I think the best thing is going to be to put it on the back of my hand first, then to go in with a brush. This really matches my nails so perfect. I love that. Okay, so what is this? There's a cream blush. This is in She's So Good. It's a blush and lipstick. Oh my gosh. I need to go in with a light hand. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit nervous, but let's all just take a deep breath. Pick it up on here. Oh wait, that's so pretty. I'm so happy that I put it on the back of my hand first and then went in with a light hand. I think it looks really freaking pretty. I'd love to try out more shades in this formula because I really like it. I just feel like really glowy and cutesy. I obviously love that everything in this collection is pink. Here we have this liquid eyeshadow. It's Good to See Me, isn't it? That's what it's called. And I think I'm gonna do the same thing, the same strategy that I did with the blush. Oh, that's really pretty. Okay, so we're gonna put it on the back of the hand. Just take a brush. Oh, I need more. This is more stunning than I could have ever imagined. Too bad I'm like, what, 3 months late to testing this out. Wow. Love that liquid shadows are making a comeback, I feel. They were like all the rage back when we were all using the Stila liquid eyeshadows and everyone kind of moved on. I just tried out a liquid shadow from ColourPop. If you haven't seen that video, I did a review, a little eyeshadow tutorial of the ColourPop X Stranger Things collection, and that had 2 liquid eyeshadows. So next I'm going to be using this r.e.m Beauty eyeliner. I think these are the At the Borderline ones, which I actually have 3 of. Yeah, At the Borderline Kohl eyeliner pencil in Scandalous, and it's blue, which I feel is a fun little pop of something not pink in this collection. Whenever I put eyeliner on my waterline, my eyes do freak out a little bit. That's really pretty. I wish my eyes didn't get so irritated. So the last thing from this collection that we're going to be using today is the lipstick. It is the On Your Collar metallic lipstick and You've Been Glindified. As I was saying, I love r.e.m beauty packaging, especially their lipsticks. Check this one out. See how it's like magnetic? This is what she looks like. So it's not matte, I don't think. Oh wow, that's really pretty. So it's not a matte lipstick. I'm just gonna go right in with her. This may be the prettiest lipstick I own now. That's stunning. What do we think? So that is everything for this video. Why do I like this more than I thought I would? Just because of the combination of colors felt so, like it wasn't all like uniform. Like we had the nude, the blue, the hot pink, the kind of champagne. I was like, how is this all gonna go together? But look, it really does all go so perfect together. That is everything for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed if you are not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.